Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Check network reachability to the server with a ping and validate DNS resolves the hostname. Next, sign in with an admin or folder owner account so you can change permissions. You'll need credentials ready. Once done, record the exact share path like //server/share and the local user or group names to modify. This avoids mistakes later and keeps changes targeted rather than broad, which reduces accidental lockouts. You now adjust both share level and NTFS permissions because both control access. Open the share properties and confirm share permissions. Set minimal rights needed like change rather than full control when possible. Then open the folder's security tab and add the user or group, assigning precise NTFS rights. Allow inheritance where appropriate. Once you apply changes, run effective access for a representative test account to verify what it actually receives. This two-layer check prevents surprises where share allows, but NTFS blocks. You finish by testing from a client machine. Map the drive or access the UNC path, and if needed, clear cached credentials or use runas to simulate the user. If access fails, inspect Windows event logs for access denied entries, look for explicit deny ACEs on NTFS, verify firewall rules and SMB protocol compatibility. Once identified, fix the specific cause. Make sure to remove any temporary admin elevation. If problems persist, that single troubleshooting tip. Briefly add the user to administrators to separate permission problems from network/authentication issues. Helps isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.